Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do hello my name is Suji flash warning trend on TikTok. Okay, so I'm in TikTok camera. Let's go to discover and here search for 14 EGP. Scroll down. Okay, and the user, you have to go to this user profile, go to the first video, open it. Sorry, I can't play the music here because it might be a copyright strike. So anyway, this is the video. You have to go to this video, hit the share button and just save it to your camera roll. Okay, once the clip is saved to your camera roll, you need to use this app called CapCut. If you don't have this app in your device, you can install it. I have already this app in my device, so let's open it. Tap on add new project. Okay, so the clip length that we downloaded from TikTok is 21 seconds, so we need video of approximate that length. Okay, I have this video. Select the video, select whatever video you want, add. Okay, so this is the video. Let's mute it. Okay, now tap on overlay at the bottom of the screen, then tap on add overlay. Select the clip that you downloaded from TikTok, add, make it zoom. Okay, then tap on the splice button on the bottom of the screen and select filter. Okay, let's check it. Okay, there's music also, but I can't play the music here because it might be a copyright strike, so there's music also. Okay, and you are done. So you can adjust your clip. Hold it and adjust your clip. Okay, let's try and play. Okay, and that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this hello my name is Suji flash warning trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.